Our next topic is CRM integration with SendPulse's internal services. So now we will talk about how to automate your business and take client communication to the next level. Are you familiar with a situation where routine tasks take up all your time? When you can't respond to a client in time and this leads to lost sales? I think this situation is familiar to many of you. Therefore, I want to remind you about the familiar Automation 360, a tool that automates all your communication. Its main idea is to send the right message to the right person at the right time through the right channel. How does it work? Open the Automation 360 section in your account. Create a new scenario or choose from templates. Pay attention to the automated flow templates. They contain ready-made messages and linked events that you can edit according to your needs. To launch them, all you need is to transfer data to SendPulse. Templates can be filtered by tags all education, e-commerce, tourism, CRM, and you can choose the template that suits you best. For example, registration, subscription, lead magnet, a request for a tour to a specific country, etc. This is a quick and convenient way to adapt the flow to your request and the activities of your company. So you create an automatic flow. You define the starting element, a trigger that launches the whole process. Then you add actions, what exactly should happen. And finally, you use conditions to adapt the scenario to each client's behavior. Automation 360 integrates perfectly with SendPulse CRM. When a new client fills out a form on your website, they are automatically added as a contact and a new deal is created. And this is the ideal trigger to launch automatic scenarios. For example, a new client enters your CRM and Automation 360 sends them a welcome email. If the client doesn't open it, the system automatically sends an SMS or a web push notification as a reminder. This ensures that no client is left without attention. Or a familiar example is the abandoned cart. Your client added items but didn't complete the purchase. Automation 360 will send them a reminder email. If that doesn't work, a chatbot is activated to offer help or a discount. And as a final step, an SMS reminder is sent. As a result, you not only save time but also achieve real sales growth. Your clients feel a personalized approach and you get all the data in one place. In the next lesson, we will talk more about integration with online stores.